Hello boys and girls, my name is Jahli and welcome back to Beatboxing with Jahli. Today we're going to be focusing on the advanced lesson. On this lesson we're going to be showing you 3 more sounds that are a lot harder, but you can master them easily. It will take you some practice, but practice makes perfect, doesn't it? First sound we're going to learn is a Harley Davidson. Not really Harley Davidson, but just a bike sound. This is what happens when you put it in a beatbox. There's only one way to simply master this sound, and that is all in your throat. You'll learn this by easily going like when you get like I don't like that, easily started with a B. You easily master this sound just by practicing. We'll try it a couple more times. Now we're going to go next, the Chewbacca sound, also known as radioactive or telephone. This is easily mastered by watching Chewbacca or listening to a telephone ring, or if you hear radioactive. First, we'll try for the Chewbacca. You can do it, I'll do it one more time, and remember, it sounds like a telephone, so ask your parents to set in the classic telephone ring and listen to that ring, and then you'll know, oh, that's what it sounds like, or listen to Chewbacca from Star Wars. Now, we're going to move on my favourite. You've all heard probably the cartoon called Donald Duck. One of the amazing characters is always annoyed. There's 2 characters to not get confused, Daffy Duck and Donald Duck. Here, I'm going to show you how to do Donald Duck. And, just remembering, I did not learn this on myself. My mom taught me this, so thank you to my mom. To do the Donald Duck sound, you need to focus all your air that is in your lungs into your cheek. So, your cheek, after you've learned how to do the Donald Duck sound, your cheek will sort of make this weird sound when you blow. That's how you can also master the Chewbacca sound. When you see me doing Donald Duck, you see how my cheek moves. And all in your air in your lungs. Put it into your cheek and let your left cheek be normal, or if you're left-handed or right-handed, doesn't matter, it will always stay on your right cheek. see you in the next video. Bye.